So our objective is how our software can be a backbone for this integrated solution. That's why we have launched many new products which gets integrated with such accessories and can play a super dominated role. And that's why we have been able to successfully implement it in many areas, such as even areas like as temples and things like that. And people have benefited, and we have seen that some of the case studies where actually some of our solutions have helped them catch the thief and even identify them and take necessary and appropriate action. So that's the overall company perspective in terms of how we feel that where the market is today and how as a company we can help grow the security market in India. And going forward, we certainly feel the scope is quite good. And the challenges specifically faced to the market are something related to the technologies. And today we have the control of technology and pricing as we have developed the product. So both of these challenges we are able to maintain and keep the pace upon that.
Technology and R&D has been your major strength. How much of that has helped you to be a market leader?
In our product-based activity, what we do is we work on the modular-based concept. Technically, how does modular-based concept work is, today we have say 200 products that we are offering. We would have started with something like say a vehicle black box or internet access security system. Now, this entire product will be divided into say 15 modules, 20 modules, 25 modules or 30 modules. Now, over a period of time, what we do is we do not try to reinvent the wheel in terms of developing a new product altogether. Even in the case, like say for example, going back from internet access to say a vehicle black box to say lost mobile tracking system, we use some of the modules that would have developed for say internet access security system. We use some of the modules like the messaging module where somebody receives an SMS, somebody receives an email. Same module is being used in the internet access security system. So we try to reuse some of the modules what we have developed. So in this way, over a period of time for us, it also helps to be a quick turnaround time in terms of development of product. From say for example, perceiving or conceiving something to bringing it to actual market level. So these modules put together gives us a product. Now, how we try to do that? Today, if you try to see, majority of our, I would say, investment goes in research and development. Of this, major portion goes in terms of both software and hardware modules. In software modules, you technically have a development of new products where these modules are being created. Then you have this overall certification process. Now, this certification process calls for a high level of quality. Our product calls for a high level of quality at various international market today. That's why our acceptancy level is quite good today.